We're doing some on-lead work now. Just walking. Good girl. And there's our automatic sit. I have to pet that. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Now when that happens, let's just go. Good girl. And we just get moving again. I turn toward her, lure her, encourage her to come to me, and then we just keep moving. I do what the dogs do. Just keep moving. Good girl, Patches. Hi. Oh, good. Automatic sit. With those pretty eyes looking at me again. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Come on. Good girl. We're humming along at right a nice pace now. Signing out. Allie's Puppy Boot Camp.